Hey everyone, and welcome to my Changelly crypto payment app review. Check the description below for links. Changelly is a popular app specializing in fast, seamless crypto exchanges. Perfect for beginners and experienced users alike, it's a non-custodial platform for swapping digital assets. Changelly supports over 400 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to a wide range of altcoins. Its simple interface guides you through every transaction, making it easy even for first-timers. A standout feature is the instant exchange. Convert crypto in minutes without even registering an account. You can also buy crypto with USD or EUR via credit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. Choose between fixed and floating rates for stable or flexible trades. Changelly prioritizes security with two-factor authentication and robust anti-fraud measures. For advanced trading, Changelly Pro offers enhanced tools and market analysis. This app is ideal for quick conversions, managing diverse portfolios, and hassle-free buying and selling. 24/7 customer support is known for its efficiency. Overall, Changelly provides quick, secure crypto exchanges without the complexity. If you value convenience and speed, Changelly is worth exploring. Check the description for more details and access to the platform.